Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Christian Villanueva. Guys, ano ko lang, i-flex ko lang yung putong bigas ng Northern Summer. And guys, na-interrupt tayo. Ito palang putong bigas from Northern Summer gawa ng kababayan natin. Super yummy at saka super magata siya, guys. Kaya, tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin delicacies. Potong bigas, shout out. Ayan guys, super yummy. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channels. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and on the notification bell. Ayan guys, biyakin natin para ma-feel natin yung potong bigas. Ayan guys, oh. O, diba? Bye! God bless you all!